Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Abby from the new Disney movie Turning Red. Alright, so before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. All of that really helps out the channel, and I love when you do. Alright, so we're going to start drawing Abby with, I'm going to draw her face shape first. So it's kind of like a U. Okay, so we got a U shape here. And now I'm going to do her two eyes. And do a shape like this and kind of thicken it up because this is her top eyelid. And then we're going to give a couple little eyelashes. And here on the bottom, just a little line. And inside, we're going to do a circle. And then another circle. And one more circle. And then that last one I'm going to color in dark. Alright, and so now we're going to do an eyebrow up top. So I come on up a little bit, and then I'm going to come on this way. So it's a bit of a funny shape. And now across from that, we're going to do the other eye. So same thing we did a moment ago, we're just doing the mirror image of it. Or doing our best to. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun here. Little line underneath. Circle inside. Another little circle. And then that last circle we can color in all dark. And an eyebrow up top. Doesn't have to match perfectly. Mine don't. Mine are a bit off here right now, but that's okay. All right, so now in the middle we can do a little nose, so it's a little bit of just a little curved nose. And then she's gonna have a cute little smile. And we can do a straight line across here on top of the eyebrows, and we can do little triangles. And then we can make a curve up top. And do another curve. So this is going to be her headband. And now we're going to give her two little ears. One little curve inside. And another ear with a little curve on the inside. And she's got these really pretty heart-shaped earrings. So we can do a little heart just below each ear. Like that. And now she's wearing a turtleneck. So we're going to do a big cuff here. Okay, and next we're going to do the straps for her outfit. So we're going to do one strap, now the other one, and a little bit below that we're going to do the circles. These are little buttons. And we can do 2 little lines here from the straps to the buttons. And now we can do a line like that. And we can come on down on both sides and give her a little bit of a shoulder on both sides. And come on down for her arm. And do a little curve here for the cuff sleeve of her sweater, or her shirt. And over here, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna come on down, give her an arm, do a little curve here. And up here, we're gonna finish her hair. So she's got some long hair. And it's just, you can just see it there falling on her back. All right, so her hands, I'm just gonna give her, I'm gonna make her hands like in fists. So it's almost gonna look like she's got on like little mitts. So we got one hand, and same over here. Another hand. And right here, we're gonna do a straight line. And then straight line down on both sides. And then we're gonna make a V shape. So this is gonna be the front pocket for her outfit. And on that front pocket, we've got a flower. So we can do a circle and then do the petals. Like that. And now we can come on down, slanting, and do the same on the other side. And put a little line here, and then come on down. And we can do a little light line just going across the tummy. And she's got another little flower on her outfit right here. And over on this side. And on her knee, she's got a little smiley face, which is super cute. And on this knee, another flower. And right here, I believe it says cool. C-O-O-L. And I'm gonna outline that. I love her outfit. I think it's so cute. Okay, and we're gonna do a little belt loop right here, even though I don't think her outfit has a belt, but I think the outfit has the belt loops. And then we've got a little pocket here. So we just did a curve and then another little curve. And we can do the same on this side. 2 little curves. And now I'm gonna start coloring. Alright, so we are finished our picture of Abby from Turning Red. You can see that in my picture, I smudged a little bit of ink smudged on her face, but I still think it turned out pretty cute. So thank you so much for drawing with me today, folks. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!